Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is really bad, but I'd say there's about a 50% chance that it's actually doable. So this is a Taco Bell going about 8 miles, but I think there's a good chance that this Taco Bell isn't open. No, I see their lights on. I think someone's in the drive-thru too, and another car in the drive-thru.
Welcome to Taco Bell. Do you have a 4-digit check-in code or an order already placed?
All right, well, go and pull forward, please. We have a big order ahead of you and haven't started it.
Sure, is that? Let me get that drink for you. There you go. You drive safe now.
Thank you. That was at least a 15-minute wait. I stopped counting after a while. All for one meal, and I've still got to drive like 8 miles, whatever I said it was. This order sucks already. Oh, and I also need a pin for this. Even better.
Yeah, when I was doing security, I'm telling you, I watched probably in one
there you are.
like 4 movies.
Sir.
I did a TV show marathon today.
Oh, that's awesome. Probably the worst order I've had in quite some time. No tip on that one. Total for that was $8, but I gotta drive all the way back. Okay, at least they're giving me an order heading back into my zone. So I'm getting paid for the drive back, which is awesome. This is a McDonald's going 7 miles. High mileage, but this is how far the previous order left me. So, yeah. Thank you. Total for that one was $8 and change. So I got paid more for that one. And it took like, what, 15 minutes tops? Meanwhile, with the Taco Bell order, I was still in the drive-thru at the 15-minute mark. It's been like 10 minutes since that last clip. Today is very weird so far. Oh boy, here come all the Lowe's orders. This one is 33 going... That one's terrible. It was 33 going 46 miles. 46 miles, by the way. And it said heavy items. Did a lap around town, and on my way back to my spot, finally got the next order. So that means it's been maybe 25 minutes since the last drop off. This is an IHOP going 6.5 miles. Total for that one was $13. Ooh, good tip on that one. Thank you, thank you. Got a McDonald's, $7 going 2 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Been a while since that last order, once again, but we got something that is a 50-50. I don't know if this is going to work out or not, but if it does, it'll be a good one. Got a Taco Bell. I think it said like $8 going 3 miles. Not sure if the lobby's open, but I did see someone in the drive-thru.
Hello, are you here pickup?
Just got an add-on. This is Gravity Coffee. I'm not sure if it's going to the same person or not. I hope it is. But this is, I think it's at $7 going an extra 2 miles.
Oh, I did. Who's that for? All right. Here's all that for you.
Thank you. Another long wait at Taco Bell. I mean, this time, I guess it was actually kind of warranted. This is a lot of food, but still. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Next order up is El Jefe Birria and Tacos. This one's going 4.5 miles.
Thank you.
Yep. And then I don't know if you know, but your sign's not on for the thing.
I think I forgot the number.
Okay.
Thank you.
Total for that one was $8 and got the next one right away. This is a Krispy Kreme going 6.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $9. Just got the next one. This is a Wendy's, $10 going 5 miles. Okay, I'm pretty far away from where I want to be, so I think I'm just going to call it here and start heading home. Also, I'm pretty much out of fuel, so need to do that before I go home, actually. Current time is 9:23. I have no idea what the total is, but you guys will before I do. Well, present me. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.